Telling you, I will seriously never forget being a junior in college. 300 level methods research course. A professor saying to me that once I really start to learn the data, you're going to realize that a lot of peer-reviewed articles are actually not as statistically significant as you thought. And of course, this was the hardest class that I took in my entire bachelor's degree. But you know what I found out? It's so fucking hard to prove that a source is reputable. Because in order to prove that it's peer-reviewed, to know who the peers are, who paid for the study, what the sample size was, and you have to prove that the sample size was actually reflective of the population of what you're trying to represent. To look at the data and see if it's statistically significant, how statistically significant is it? Because there's levels to this, and you have to know that all because you're the researcher. So if you find yourself in a similar position as me right now, let me show you the one thing that actually saved my life back then. It's this site that's built for researchers where you can upload all of your research text and documents, and it will all download in a content library just like this. And you can go ahead and select specific sources and add them to a folder to organize them based on your different papers. Once they're in that folder, you can view all of your research side by side and even use this little chat box to chat with the folder and ask any question that you want. And it's then going to generate you a detailed response based on the data that it pulled from your sources. And if you click on these numbers right here, it'll actually take you exactly to where it pulled that reference from in your data.